So now let's see how we can work around with the eraser tool inside of Pixlr E. So here you can see that I have an image, and on the left side you can see that I have an eraser. If I were to click on this, then the eraser has only one task. It erases out the file that we have right here. If I were to click and drag, you can see that it seems as if I'm painting white, but no, it is actually erasing out the picture right here. So let me just go around and then duplicate out this. I'm just going to go around and let's say duplicate out the layer so that I can move this around right here. So you can see that this is what I have. If I were to go to eraser and then erase this, now what is happening is that you do not actually have a white background, but it is actually erasing out this layer right here, as you can see, and I can see beneath it. So here I can choose the type of the brush. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around into the star tool, if I were to click and drag it, then you can see that it actually uses this as an eraser, and you can see as if the holes are being cut through. You can also go around over here onto, let's say, for example, the 500 mark, and then you can see that you can erase out the entire layer just like that as well. If I were to go around into background, I can work around with the opacity, click and drag this around, and you can erase it out with a certain level of opacity. You can also go around and then go on to, let's say, certain brush size, and you can also work around with the hard tip. So if I were to go around, click and drag this around, so let me just go around, increase the opacity, and then this is what you have. So this is the one with the soft tip, and if I were to go around into hard tip and click and drag it, then this is what you have. So you got the soft tip right here, and you got the hard tip right here. And that is how you can work around with the eraser tool inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.